Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best digital caliper that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Neiko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper. The Neiko 01407A Electronic Digital Caliper immediately stands out as an ideal pick for both professionals and hobbyists. It comes at a great price and provides accuracy up to 0.001 inches, giving you almost superhuman ability in getting incredible precision. You can measure both inside and outside diameter and depth and step, with ease, providing a wide range of options for whatever your project demands. There are also options for the measurements themselves. For those of you who are still on the fence about the best measuring units, you have the option of inches, metric, or fractions, meaning there will be no confusion ever again, we hope. Moving on at number 4, we have the Adoric Life Digital Caliper. With these easy-to-use Adoric Life Digital Calipers, you can quickly switch between millimeter and inch settings by merely pressing one touch of a button. They provide a precise and accurate measurement, ideal for a host of home DIY projects, and are accurate to 0.01 millimeters. They can handle 4 different measuring modes, just like many of the higher-priced units can, including inside and outside, diameter, and also depth. These budget-friendly calipers are constructed from rugged carbon fiber composites, designed to be hard-wearing and long-lasting. The smart and intuitive user-friendly design allows the operator to set zero with nothing more than the simple touch of a button, ready to start a new measurement at any point on the scale. At number 3, we have the Mitutoyo Advanced Onsite Sensor Digital Caliper. Sometimes, we like to save the best till last, but this time we couldn't help ourselves. Our premium pick for the best digital caliper comes in the stylish, sophisticated, elegant form of the Mitutoyo Advanced On-Site Sensor. We'll start with the large readout screen, which may not be as large as the eye gauging but is still straightforward to read, while the readings themselves are accurate to 0.0005 inches. You can also switch these readings between metric and imperial, whichever you fancy on any day. Mix it up and live a little, why don't you? At number 2, we have the Eye Gauging Electronic Digital Caliper. The Engaging Eye Gauging Electronic Digital Caliper is constructed using IP54 resistance protection, which provides excellent durability, able to protect itself from dust, dirt, grime, oil, water, and probably anything else. What this means is that this caliper lasts a lifetime, and maybe even 2, although you must find someone to change the battery after it does inevitably run out after 2 years. Don't worry, it comes with a free replacement battery, which is cool. Along with this, the digital display is large enough to be super simple to read, although it's not as easy to read in low light. But what are the chances you'll be doing any projects in the dead of night? It's accurate to 0.001 inches, and also offers up to 1/128th fraction readings, which we're sure is some kind of caliper record. Be sure to always keep it handy in your toolbox. And finally at number 1, we have the VINCA Quality Electronic Digital Caliper. If you're looking for the best digital vernier caliper in terms of value, then you've come to the right place. This VINCA digital caliper provides a variety of measuring units to suit all users and ultra-precise readings, all while coming at a price you might have to see to believe. Sometimes, people believe you need to break the bank and splash the cash to get reliable quality products, but we've been doing this long enough to know that's not true. It's comfortable and easy to use, offering sleek, gliding movement along the meter, and to entice you further, it comes from the factory fully calibrated so you can get right down to work. It's accurate, which you would expect, and also has a useful automatic on and off function, which helps save the battery from running down. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.